Hey Mike,
How are you today?
I'm great. I'm standing in front of one of our global finishing solutions paint roofs. It is 18 foot high, 18 foot wide, and it's 40 foot deep. It has the capability, if needed, where we can put an extension on for an additional 20 key.
And how many of these do we have here in our new facility here?
We have installed 4 of these boots.
That's excellent. In terms of the square footage here, what is the size of this? And is this air conditioned here for our company?
This laydown area in front of the paint booth is a total of 15,000 square feet. It is all environmentally controlled, and it's set at a right now max 50% relative humidity.
Now that's really excellent. What's our lifting capacity there with our ceiling height? I'm sure a lot of customers would be really interested in those.
Our lifting capacity in our paint shop is 50 tons.
And does each one of these booths have the ability to take a 50-ton part in here?
Absolutely.
And how do they do that?
They fly it right in.
That's really excellent. That's great. Talk to me a little bit about the types of paints that you use here with our coral pumps here.
Currently, the gentleman behind me is spraying a high-performance epoxy. We're not limited to any type of coating that we can spray. 2 of them are plural that specialize in mixing the paint right at the pump. This helps cut down costs to our customers as we're not hand mixing, but the pump itself.
That's excellent. And do we do multiple coats here, or do we just do one coat, or the customers have a preference of what they'd like here, do you think?
We can do it anything our customer requires. We specialize in stripe coating as well.
Oh, that's excellent. That's very good. Let's talk a little bit about our inspection processes here. You know, as a quality assurance, quality control person, what operations do we do here to make sure that we have the right dry count thickness, the right adhesion, and those sorts of things for a customer as they're coming through here?
Great question, Mike. We have posit soft gauges that are calibrated annually, or if need be, sooner. We have dry film thickness. We also have high voltage testing, hydraulic adhesion.
I guess related to customers that are very interested in the on-time reporting, are they able to see how the stuff was being reported on time? Or is there something to present to them in a report later? Say, here was the dry film thickness, here is the relative humidity when this was...
The gauges themselves actually populate that data for us. It's really quite neat.
Super duper.